Hello, I'm Charlie Grace, and welcome to New Product Mondays. Every Monday, I love to bring you a new product to take a look at, things that I've used, things that I've reviewed, and can give you my honest-to-goodness opinion on why I think they work and how you could use them. Do you have a cassette toilet? I know I do. I have a Winnebago Echo 25B, which means it's on the Sprinter chassis. There's a lot of other really cool small Class Bs and Class Cs that have cassette toilets now. And people keep asking me, how do you use that? How does that work? And are you really embarrassed to drag that someplace and empty it? Well, I have friends, James and Steph from the Fit RV, that just came up with a really cool idea, and I'm really happy to share this with you. It is called the Cassette Cloak. Okay, now, this is one of those things where I always say, follow really cool people. You can follow them at the Fit RV. They have a great YouTube channel as well as a great website. Take a look at this. They've got some really cool ideas. But this is very simple. And when I first got my cassette toilet, I was like, I'm going to go make a backpack. I'm going to go figure something out. But why reinvent the wheel when you've already got someone who's figured this out? Perfect. So here we go, guys. Really durable material. That's number one. That really chintzy. You're going to love this. You can get these on Amazon. You can get them straight from his website at the Fit RV. You'll love this one. All it does, it's like a cassette koozie, okay? Now this is specifically made for the Thetford cassette. I'll give you all the specs in the description below. All you do is you essentially, it's Velcroed at the bottom. Here we go. It slips over the lovely cassette toilet, and then you just pull the bottom Velcro around the wheels. And there you go, and you wheel it to your destination wherever you want to go when you don't want people to know that you're going to be emptying your cassette toilet. So I will admit this was one of my pet peeves when doing the cassette toilet was, everyone knows what I'm doing. It's sort of gross. You try to do this. Well, now it's going to be a little more incognito, shall I say. So if keeping your cassette toilet sort of incognito and you need to cloak it a bit, try the Cassette Cloak. Highly recommend it. I have one. I want to know what you think. Leave some comments below if this is something that you think you've been trying to figure out how to deal with, or if this is a product that might be a good fit for you. I want to know. Thanks for watching. If you like new product reviews, really cool discounts, and other awesome things for RV travel, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe and bell to get notified. You'll see all these really cool things when they come out, and I'd love to share all these new products with you.